Today, let's dive into SoFi, examining recent data points, breaking down the movements, and covering everything you need to know.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi recently closed 1.68% in the red. It seems to act inversely to the broader market. When the market is green, SoFi is red. And when the market struggles, SoFi often surprises by going green. Today, there was significant volatility with the low at 6.39 and the high at 6.62, with 41.5 million shares traded, slightly above the average of 41.3 million shares. Most transactions by institutions were sells, as seen from the bid, ask, and selling prices. In the secondary market, significant transactions above $100,000 were predominantly sells, with a few buys scattered in. After hours, SoFi dropped another 0.62%, continuing its unpredictable behavior. Despite decent earnings, SoFi stock has dropped 15.29% over the past 5 days. This contrasts with other companies like Palantir, which went up 10.38% today, peaking around 28.70 pre-market, and Upstart, which had a double beat in earnings and rose 18.48%. SoFi seems to lag continuously, possibly needing rate cuts to rise significantly. The September 18th meeting shows a 70.5% chance of a 50 basis point cut, despite Powell's comments and no emergency meeting announced. SoFi remains in a kind of limbo, with no new analyst ratings today, though 2 ratings came out yesterday: $7 and $110 price targets from Needham KBW. Analyst Tim, with a 55% success rating, and Kyle, who has been bullish on SoFi with a 49% success rating, likely contributed to SoFi's bullish movement yesterday. On the short side, shorts increased by 26.57 thousand shares, with 16.76% of the free float being shorted, totaling 175.35 million shares. The cost to borrow minimum is negative at -0.2%, indicating some brokers are paying to short SoFi. This wasn't the case yesterday, but was on Friday, possibly due to technical difficulties faced by brokers like Charles Schwab and Fidelity. I'll check who else experienced these blackouts and might be behind this negative borrowing cost. In the options market, there were 3.94 million in calls and 2.09 million in puts, with 47% of all options being optimistic and bullish. Most call options targeted around $7, indicating true optimism. The difference between short hedging and true optimism can be distinguished by strike prices. Closer strike prices suggest short hedging, while further out prices indicate optimism. Puts suggested a sub-$6 target by the end of next week, with open interest for call options showing 8,000 at 650, 30,000 at 720, 2,000 at 750, and 27,000 at 8. Market makers might let SoFi rise above 650, but significant manipulation occurs when open interest reaches 15 to 20,000. SoFi closed at $6.43, trading between S2 and S1, with strong support at 607 and resistance target at 652. The stock is expected to fluctuate around S1 for the rest of the week unless a dramatic event occurs. The chart shows it back in the lower percentile of the Bollinger Band, with stochastic at 16, indicating it's still oversold. Retail investors are exiting, and overall, the data is mixed. Options activity is cautiously optimistic, shorts are neutral, and technicals are bearish. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.